pure warm. I always like to touch, you never shake someone's hand with a glove on. It is hard going, and it is cold sometimes on the hands, and I do get up very early, and all that effort is ultimately going into trying to make something that it is effortless. I wish I'd reached this point about an hour ago, before the sun had risen. What is extraordinary that I didn't expect, but could only have dreamt of happening, is that the sun coming from there shines completely on both sides of the rock. So all the icicle is illuminated against that cliff, and I never had any idea that would happen. So the potential here is fantastic. And there's so many works that I've made that the very thing that brings the work to life is the thing that will cause its death.